Having issues with price inflation, product availability, hitting net zero targets, or can't get the supplies you need quickly and easily? Welcome to the build chain.
Welcome to the build chain contractor and subcontractor demonstration video. We connect your inquiries to suppliers through automation, giving your business great efficiency in process. After logging in, you will enter the home page. Here, you can overview all the tabs and pages available, easily navigating to all areas of your dashboard. To get started, let's look at the inquiry page. This is where you can send new inquiries and manage existing ones. At first viewing, you can see your existing inquiries previously sent. Each row is a separate inquiry, and each inquiry has a standard set of detailed information. To create a new inquiry, click the New Inquiry button. A pop-up box will then appear. To begin, tag your inquiry to a new or existing job reference. This helps to track each project later on. Select the type of inquiry, whether hire or purchase. Inquiry types have different product categories relevant for each sector. Add a document to your inquiry to assist the supplier in quoting quickly and accurately. The document could include a specification sheet or site drawings. By selecting a product category, we ensure that only suppliers that can meet your requirements receive the inquiry. Hire inquiries provides the opportunity to specify the number of hire days, whereas purchase inquiries allow you to input an estimated delivery date. Entering the postcode of your site location is a key element to securing the correct supply chain. The build chain uses our patented mapping technology to filter suppliers based on geographical location, which will be explained shortly. The comments area allows you to be specific in your inquiry, mentioning quantities, specifications, or collection and delivery. Alternatively, you can simply refer the supplier to your attached documents. You can also add multiple products to the same inquiry and job reference. If the product categories differ, our system will automatically split the inquiry to ensure that all relevant suppliers are notified. When your inquiry is submitted, within seconds the build chain uses automation to match your inquiry to suppliers who are within 30 miles of your site location, sell or hire the product category requested and suit the inquiry type. When matched to suppliers, the relevant supply chain will receive notification of your inquiry and submit quotes in response. You can then manage the inquiry and view quotes sent by suppliers. Clicking into the quotes section, you will see the original inquiry at the top of the page. Below is a list of supplier quotes. By clicking the supplier name, you can access their brand page, which details information about the supplier, including number of locations, head office address, phone number, customer service contact, and business description. After the supplier name is the price of their quote, followed by comments, offers, and invoice number. Suppliers also have an opportunity to upload documents. These could be PDF quotes, trade account terms, or insurance documents. You may have noticed some quotes are highlighted in green, and others are not. These highlighted quotes are from your preferred accounts. When onboarding, you can inform us of where you hold trade accounts or lines of credit, and we build it into your account. When those suppliers receive your inquiry, they know you have an account with them, and they can refer to any unique pricing or rebate agreements you have in place. When the suppliers submit a quote in response, we ensure it is highlighted too. This allows you or members of your team to be aware of who is part of your existing supply chain. It is also an easy way to benchmark your existing suppliers to ensure their pricing is in line with the rest of the market. In this instance, the supplier who is not a preferred account is more competitive on price. This may give scope for you to negotiate a better deal with your preferred supplier or set up an account with a new one. The Accept Quote tick box is available for you to record where you are placing orders. It drives the reporting features and provides compliance as it shows buying patterns. There is a live chat option, which is a direct channel of communication to the individual behind the supplier account. This is a useful feature as this allows all correspondence to be stored, therefore you have an opportunity to introduce compliance and governance into your procurement without any intrusive or obstructive measures. It also protects the user's data being shared, such as phone numbers and emails. The suppliers must speak with you through the system. This allows your team to get on with their other day-to-day tasks and not be interrupted by supplier phone calls and emails. If you wish to speak over the phone with the supplier, you can always share your information, request theirs in the live chat or access it via their brand page. With all quotes displayed, you can then use the radius filter to scale the distance from site. If your project requirements are to procure within certain locations, you can scale the radius filter to match. If certain suppliers operate nationally, you can access supplier quotes beyond the 30-mile radius by selecting the relevant option. This feature is great for evidencing social value and environmental sustainability when reporting on projects, as you can see exactly where your quotes are from in relation to your site. When you have found a suitable quote, you agree payment direct with the supplier. We do not take the payment and have no commission fees attached. This means you are receiving the best price from the supplier with no commission or transaction fees added and have complete transparency of the supply chain. Heading back to the inquiry page, using the search facility at the top, you can filter your inquiries and quotes by job reference. This is detailed in the job reference section of your initial inquiry. As you can see, this inquiry has 2 notifications against it. This must either be new quotes or live chat messages. When your inquiry is no longer required, this could be due to placing an order or if you submitted inquiries to assist with estimating the costs of a project that you did not successfully secure, you can simply archive the inquiry. This removes it from the live dashboard for you and the suppliers, so you no longer receive quotes, and the suppliers don't waste time quoting an inquiry that is no longer required. Archived inquiries can be restored to the live dashboard at any time and none of the existing data is lost during the archive process. Everything is still stored to ensure you always have a digital footprint of information regarding the inquiry. This includes all quotes, documents, and live chat messages. Restoring the inquiry to the dashboard allows suppliers to quote again. Using the information you have input into the system, we can provide industry-first, micro reports about your business and the external market in which you operate. Clicking into the Reports tab, you can access various types of reports such as ESG, social value, compliance and governance, spend analysis and supply chain analysis. The exhibition area is where you can access supplier, manufacturer or industry body videos, special offers and training. It is also an opportunity to showcase your business and services to a wider audience to engage in more subcontract work. To support all users of the dashboard, we have extensive support tickets, video tutorials, and direct contact information to our head office. Customer service is a priority to us and we won't put you in a queue with a virtual assistant that cannot help you. Thank you for watching and listening to our demonstration video. If you have any questions, please ask our representative.